Welcome to AI Simplified, your go-to hub for learning artificial intelligence with a humorous twist. Are you curious about artificial intelligence but tired of dry, technical explanations? Look no further. Our channel is dedicated to making AI not only accessible, but also fun and engaging for everyone from beginners to intermediate users. What we offer: simple, fun, and engaging tutorials. We break down complex AI concepts into bite-sized, easy-to-understand lessons infused with humor. Perfect for those who are just starting out or looking to brush up on their skills without getting bogged down in technical jargon. Practical applications. Learn how to apply AI in your personal and business life to improve efficiency and productivity. We cover real-world examples and best use cases that you can start implementing right away. Comprehensive coverage. From the history of AI to the latest advancements, tools, and applications, we provide a complete overview that will keep you informed and inspired. Why subscribe? Increase your earning power. Gain valuable skills that are in high demand across various industries. Whether you're looking to boost your career or start a new venture, our content will equip you with the knowledge you need to succeed. Interactive and fun learning experience. Our tutorials are designed to be interactive with quizzes, challenges, and polls to keep you engaged. Learning AI has never been this enjoyable. Stay updated. We post new content daily or every 2 days to ensure you're always up to date with the latest trends and techniques in AI. Join our community of AI enthusiasts and start your journey towards mastering artificial intelligence. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Subscribe now and discover the exciting world of AI with AI Simplified. Learn AI the fun and easy way.